Salutare, bine v-am găsit la noua ediție Bring the Noise aici pe You în fiecare luni de la ora 22. Dacă pierdeți luni, există mari. Ora 24 și ce trebuie să faceți, dați televizorul la maxim, dați pe toată lumea afară și începe o oră de foarte multă muzică rock and roll. Asta când fac eu în seara asta, o să fie un invitat foarte special, un foarte bun prieten de-al nostru și poate voi l-ați recunoscut deja, Șole, solistul vocal al trupei Crize. Și cu această ocazie o să inaugurăm o serie de emisiuni în care o să invităm artiști din trupele de la noi care o să spună o scurtă istorie a vieții, cum de au ajuns ei să fie rock.
Hi everybody, this is Rob Halford, the metal god from Judas Priest, along with Glenn Tipton and KK Downey. We are Judas Priest and this is Bring the Noise on You. Give me fuel, give me fire, give me double time.
This is Chris number 2 from the band Anti-Flag, and you are watching Bring the Noise on You. Peace.
Să nu mă înjurați pe mine dacă nu vă place muzica. Am adus pe el în seara asta, se întâmplă chestia asta. Intrați pe forumuri și scrieți ce vreți.
Incubus.
Incubus.
Deși au venit în România și atunci probabil în ochii unui telespectator neavizat ar trebui să le mai scadă valoarea. Incubus, am văzut. Sunt o formație genială.
Ok, ai venit și noi Incubus la Bring the Noise.
Hey, this is Ben from the band Incubus, and you are watching Bring the Noise on You.
2 days ago, I was having a look in a book and I saw a picture of
What's going to be next from Incubus in 2007? Still touring or?
We're going to tour until the gas runs out.
What's up? We're the Deftones, and you're watching Bring the Noise on UTV.
What good music have you heard in 2006? What's the best album that you heard?
There's a band called Coma. Yeah, they're called Coma.
Yeah.
And as a matter of fact, I have the CD right here. This is awesome. This is the best thing you should get in 2006.
Yo, what's up, man? We're El Nino, and you're watching.
What's up? You're on Bring the Noise.
Bring the Noise. Later.
Hi there. We're Therapy, and you're watching Bring the Noise on UTV.
Hello there. This is Billy Gould from Harmful, and you're watching Bring the Noise on You.
What's happening, everybody? This is Freddie from Madball, and you're watching Bring the Noise on You.
What's happening? We're Bullet for My Valentine. You're watching Bring the Noise on You Television.
Hey, it's Lars from Metallica. You are watching Bring the Noise right here on You.
Me, I would take David Bowie, Ziggy Stardust album, and probably Pretty Hate Machine from Nine Inch Nails.
Yeah, man, Mike Patton's a genius. It's
Crazy
amazing, amazing. Yeah, he can do anything with his voice, and it's very, known to try different stuff.
Ladies and gentlemen, we interrupt our program of dance music to bring you a special bulletin from the Intercontinental Radio News.
Venim și la lansare și ne vedem și ne distrăm și râdem cu Pokémon and the Bastards începând de săptămâna viitoare. Mergeți și cumpărați-vă albumul sau MySpace. myspace.com/Recycle
Bin Punk.
That's it. Recycle Bin.
Aruncați acolo așa. Vă mulțumim că ne lăsați să vă distrugem petreceri.
Punk rock. I know that you've been involved in some, like Marilyn Manson on Antichrist Superstar. You've been on that album?
Well, I got a special thanks on it, but it's like who knows what guitar parts really got on there. They insist that that it got taken out.
Say something for the record. Tell the people what you feel.
God, I don't know. So many. Yeah, it's difficult. I mean, he was one of my best friends when we were kids, so I don't have any specific story, but he was a great guy.
You will be remembered.
okay to be inspired by those, you know, and be abrasive of those records instead of running away from them. And he told us to imagine that we didn't have a record deal and we had to write the best 10 songs of our lives to get a record deal. So he's very much kind of about these ideas and stuff.
What it takes, who I am, where I